And now we look at how markets opened. Asian stocks fell as investors fretted over economic growth ahead of US inflation data and the potential domino effects of the presidential debate between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump. An Asian stocks gauge fell for a third session, with Japanese stocks leading the declines. Futures for Hong Kong and US stocks also dipped. Global growth worries resurfaced as oil dropped below $70 per barrel on Tuesday. Investors eye US inflation data scheduled to be released later on Wednesday. Economists predict another month of muted increases in inflation, possibly playing into a Fed debate over how much to cut interest rates. Samir Samana at Wells Fargo Investment Institute said, "Given the market's aggressive expectations for Fed rate cuts, a hotter reading should lead to downside volatility." Samana added, "A cooler print has more two-way risk as it creates more room for the Fed to cut, but may also indicate the economy is slowing faster than anticipated." The S&P 500 rose 0.4% overnight, with the Bloomberg gauge of the Magnificent Seven mega caps jumping 1.5%. Tesla led gains in Wall Street mega caps on Tuesday, and Oracle hit an all-time high. However, JP Morgan Chase sank more than 5% after changing its earnings optimism. Market jitters are expected to increase, with three-month measure of implied volatility for key dollar gauge near its highest mark since March 2023 banking crisis. In commodities, crude has tumbled by almost a fifth so far this quarter on concerns the slowing growth in the US and China will crimp demand at a time of robust and expanding supplies. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.